Hello and welcome to the practice. This is a short Qigong practice to help you stretch, ground your energy, and relax before bed. Begin in standing. Take a moment to quiet your mind and settle into the body. Begin the practice with a twist and turn exercise to gently warm up the body and loosen up. Keep your feet firmly planted on the ground. Feel connected and grounded. At the same time, reaching upwards through your spine and the crown of the head. Allow the rest of the body to release, relax, and let go. Especially your neck and shoulders, down your arms. Relax your chest and your abdomen. Relax your hips and your legs. Allow your whole body to soften. Come back to center. Slowly raise your hands up, bringing your hands to shoulder height, open through the chest. Then gently stretch upwards, opening through the spine. Release the position. Allow yourself to soften and relax fully. Repeat again. Release the position and feel your muscles relax and let go. Repeat a few times. Avoid pushing or straining too much. Allow the movement to come natural, feel pleasant and comforting. Keep your breath relaxed and smooth. And focus your attention on the bodily sensations. Anything that you can feel. Feel your body relaxing. Feel your muscles loosening up. And feel yourself more present in the body. From here, bring your hands in front of your lower abdomen. Separate and gently press out in opposite directions. Release the position, allowing your neck, shoulders to relax, and repeat on the other side. Extending through the spine, opening through the chest and your shoulder. Repeat a few times. Inhale as you open. Exhale as you let go. One more time on each side. Release the position. Then gently turn to the back. Inhale as you rotate and open. Exhale to release and soften in your body. Repeat twice more on each side. Take as much time as you need to feel the stretch and then to release and relax completely. When you're ready, move to the hip rotations. Keep your circle nice and round, connecting the points at the front, the sides, and the back of the body. Change the direction. Come back to center and let your hands relax. Moving on to the spinal wave. Take your time here to feel the movement from the inside out. Allow your spine to be supple and fluid. Allow all the muscles in your body to relax and let go. Keep your head upright and your spine long, focusing on opening the chest as you go up and opening the lower back as you sink down. This stimulates the two main meridians in the body that run along the front and the back of the body. It also helps to balance the energy between the kidneys and the heart and harmonizing yin and yang energies in the body. Slow down the movement, then step forward and gently push as if you're pushing a wave. Your hands stay at the lower dantian level, gathering and accumulating the energy to the lower dantian. Hello, my friend, little dog. Exhale as you push forward. Inhale as you draw your hands back in. Find a way to link your breath to the movement. Exhale as you push. Inhale as you bring your hands in. If you look at the sea behind me, you can feel a current of the sea. There is movement. Visualize a wave that approaches in your belly and then you push it out, concentrating on the area in front of your lower abdomen. Change sides and continue the movement. Do this exercise until you begin to feel a pleasant warmth building up underneath your palms. Be creative. You can let your hands move intuitively, whatever feels the most comfortable. One more time. Inhale, bring your hands in, adjust your feet. And then do a series of reversed abdominal breathing. Inhale as you draw your navel in. Exhale as you open your belly. Inhale in. Exhale out. This provides a gentle massage to all the internal organs and helps to move the qi, blood, and fluids through the meridians and internal organs. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. Relax here and let your hands rest on your lower abdomen. And take a moment here to simply observe and notice how you feel. Your mind is calm, your energy is grounded, and you feel centered and present in your body. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.